Hi there. Let's take a quick walkthrough of the Nominee and Award Polls feature. Start by signing in to your EngageWith dashboard and navigating to Employee Awards. Scroll down to find Nominee and Award Polls, a feature that lets employees nominate up to 3 teammates they believe deserve recognition. Here's how to set it up. Click Launch a Nominee Poll. Choose an award from the list or create a custom one. Next, select the nominators. These could be team leads, managers, or team members. Each nominator can select up to 3 teammates or peers as nominees. Next, decide on the eligible voters. This could be the entire organization, a specific channel, or a department. Add the award amount and finalize the announcement details. Select the channel for the award announcement. Once everything is set, click Give Award, and you're good to go. You can see the details in the dashboard. Here's how it works in Slack. Nominators will receive a message prompting them to select their nominees directly in Slack. Once they've submitted their nominations, the progress will be updated on your dashboard. After nominations are complete, the poll will be conducted, inviting eligible participants to vote for the nominees. It's recognition made simple, meaningful, and team-driven, all within EngageWith. Try out this feature today and don't forget to share your feedback.